Alright, we got this DEWALT 20V Cordless dry hand vacuum we're going to be testing out today in my car. I bought this for my car, and that's it. So this is going to be a car test for this video. As you can see, I bought the 2 batteries and the charger, 5 amps, 2 of them. It's got the little bag there. I can use it around the shop here if I want, but I already got 2 vacuum cleaners for inside here, so I don't really need it for inside here. I'm sick of bringing out the 75-foot cable out in the parking lot and the shop vac every time I want to clean my own car. I live in an apartment complex, so it's not so easy over here to do that. So we're going to be bringing this out to my car today and testing it out on the vehicle, doing a quick swipe once through. I detailed my car about a week and a half ago, so I'd like to just give it a quick once over and see how it does. All right, let's see what comes in it. All right, we got the big flat piece. That's good. Got a nice hose. This is excellent. Exactly what we needed here. And it stretches to like 5 feet or something like that. The little bag that it comes with. Directions. Super narrow nozzle. This is critical for vehicles. And then we got this long piece, this beautiful piece, for the extender. All right. And then the unit itself, a couple more. This long brush, that's good. And then we got the little circular brush right here. So we got 2 different brushes. Big long piece, the extender, and the narrow attachment with the tube. We're looking good in the bag. And then here's the unit. Let's get her cracking. It's already got the filter in it. Everything looks like it's ready to go. Got my battery charged up here. Charged up all night. Slide the battery straight in. It's very easy. We're good to go. We got our power. All right, let's do this. Here we go. We're gonna get off there. Let's get in the front. Here we go. All right, this is gonna be fine for a car. It's got everything you want. It costs me about 300 bucks, 100 bucks for this thing, 200 bucks for the batteries and the charger. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna put some more attachments on right now. I think we're gonna try the tube. The beautiful part of this is the button stays on and you can let it go. That's critical. I didn't want to have to squeeze anything the whole time. The hose fits very snug right onto the end. Just push it in, twist it. All right, now we're ready to go. Now we put this down on the ground here, turn it on, and grab the hose for under here. Get all these little dog hairs. Work on this little section down here. Oh yeah, we're gonna do this right now, see how it works. All right, that works pretty well. I'm liking that. That works for me. You know, it's to get the loose debris, not the deep ingrained stuff. I got that a couple weeks back. So for cars, this is gonna be the best attachment ever. Little narrow piece with the tubey thing, and we are good to go. We should be able to get everywhere now. But yeah, this thing's working really well. It's not the strongest vacuum on earth, and definitely not as strong as my real shop vac, but it'll do the job. It'll absolutely do the job. Probably used 20 minutes so far. Power's still going. Kind of wondering how long the battery's gonna last, so I wanna keep going for a little while. So the filter just pulls out. It fits in, it's got this little tooth right there. It sort of fits in. You line it up with the little tooth on the catcher, and you push it down, you pull it out the same way. You just pull it straight out when you want to take it out. That's it. Stick your fingers in the hole. I know you're used to that. And then we pull up and pull it out. That's it. All the attachments fit in the bag, as you can see. Haven't even used all the power in it, and I got through the whole car. This is gonna work out great for what I need. I got plenty of power left in the battery, so I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get even the toughest dog hairs out of here. with this setup. I think. Is this gonna help me with my 5 to 6 dogs in this vehicle every day? I think it will. Is this good for dogs and dog hair and pet fur? I think it is. But we'll find out in the future as we use it over and over. I'm gonna be using this thing quite regularly, every few days I hope, so we're gonna really be testing it. Probably got about 25 minutes out of it maybe. I'm gonna guess 20-25 minutes out of the 5 amp. Something like that, but I got enough to get through the whole car, which was nice. As you can see, everything works well, we're happy. Gets a little weaker as the battery gets drained, so you can kind of hear that it's getting drained, getting a tiny bit slower, but it's still sucked. Vacuum sucks. All right, over and out, I had to say it. All right, so I've had my new car for about 4 or 5 days, taking the pack into it 4 times already. Some of the dogs shed a ton, so I just went out there to give it a quick once over, and it took me like 15 minutes or less. Plenty of battery power left. All these cool attachments. The brush helped. I just swept everything, got all the fur and hair out everywhere, and little bits of dust. Now it looks brand new again. I love it. This thing is awesome. It's like my new favorite baby. Just a quick check-in after a few days of having it and letting the new car get dirty, and we'll keep up with it and keep testing this thing out and see how we like it all. Okay, we're out here trying this today on the new car. Got a little bit of debris down there. I don't know if you can see that, some sand everywhere. This is how this thing works. It's awesome. Do this. Looking good. Perfectly crispy clean. Get under there a little bit. We are loving this thing. It's great. All right. So this thing's wonderful for a vehicle. So far, so good. This thing is awesome, for the record. Definitely pick one up if you enjoy having portable cleaning abilities for your vehicle. And yes, the 2023 Kia Soul has been great so far. So this thing's been awesome, awesome, awesome. It's gonna work great on this car. Just cleaned up all this stuff right there, nice and perfectly clean. Anybody looking to get a nice portable vacuum for their vehicle, this is it. Thanks for watching. We had a blast doing this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, and come again.